Pinky.
Yeah, what?
I write a song for you now. I want you to hear it.
Whatever.
Watch this, Empress. My Caribbean love, my sorry, my swallow. You bring me feelings, you bring me alive. Caribbean love,
Watch ya.
one drop fever. You bring me feelings, you bring me alive. Ooh. Come off of your phone up, Pinky, I sing for you, you know. I Ricky British your text again. How kind of cousin this? So every minute you text this brethren. Listen to the song now. Sure.
My youth, I have no time for you and that.
So then if Alkaline sing about body wash and bust, then I know can bust too.
Yeah, but Alkaline sound good, they sound like shit.
Yeah man, them used to tell Alkaline the same thing too. Say Cartel sound good and him sound like shit. And them used to tell Cartel the same thing. And I can carry this all the way forward to Shabba Ranks and King Yellow Man. Success never happen overnight for none of them in the higher. Some people not gonna see it till you do it. I saw it said higher.
Which woman that can text your phone?
A Chronics just text side.
Which Chronics? You think me an idiot? You think me is a f***ing fool dog?
Calm down.